guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings here. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go to about over here and you can search about Facebook. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.